In the insurance industry, timely access to accurate data is essential for improving customer service, managing risk, and making informed business decisions. Insurance companies often deal with large volumes of policy, claims, and customer data spread across multiple systems. This makes reporting slow, complex, and difficult to analyze in real time. To address these challenges, Blackoffer developed an insurance Power BI dashboard that transforms complex insurance data into interactive, real-time visualizations for better decision-making. The dashboard integrates data from multiple sources, processes it into a centralized model, and presents key metrics through intuitive Power BI visualizations. Users can monitor claims, policies, customer trends, and business performance from a single dashboard. Key features include interactive Power BI dashboards, real-time insurance analytics, claims and policy monitoring, KPI tracking and reporting, data visualization, centralized business insights. The solution improves reporting efficiency, enhances operational visibility, accelerates decision-making, and enables insurance providers to deliver better customer outcomes.